I've already seen it. I've already seen it. I've been here for 2 days. I've been here for 2 days. I've been there. I've been there. I've heard Texas is a beautiful place. I've heard Texas is a beautiful place. I've never done that. I've never done that. I've never seen that before. I've never seen that before. I've seen it. I've seen it. I've worked there for 5 years. I've worked there for 5 years. John is going on vacation tomorrow. John is going on vacation tomorrow. June 3rd. June 3rd. Just a little. Just a little. Just a moment. Just a moment. Let me check. Let me check. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Let's go have a look. Let's go have a look. Let's go. Let's go. Let's meet in front of the hotel. Let's meet in front of the hotel. Let's practice English. Let's practice English. Let's share. Let's share. Male or female? Male or female? May I speak to Mrs. Smith, please? May I speak to Mrs. Smith, please? Maybe. Maybe. More than 200 miles. More than 200 miles. More than that. More than that. My birthday is August 27th. My birthday is August 27th. My car isn't working. My car isn't working. My car was hit by another car. My car was hit by another car. My cell phone doesn't have good reception. My cell phone doesn't have good reception. My cell phone doesn't work. My cell phone doesn't work. My daughter is here. My daughter is here. My father has been there. My father has been there. My father is a lawyer. My father is a lawyer. My friend is American. My friend is American. My grandmother passed away last year. My grandmother passed away last year. My house is close to the bank. My house is close to the bank. My luggage is missing. My luggage is missing. My name is John Smith. My name is John Smith. My son studies computers. My son studies computers. My son. My son. My stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. My throat is sore. My throat is sore. My watch has been stolen. My watch has been stolen. Near the bank. Near the bank. Never mind. Never mind. Next time. Next time. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. No problem. No problem. No, I'm American. No, I'm American. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, this is the first time. No, this is the first time. No, no. Nobody is helping us. Nobody is helping us. Nobody is there right now. Nobody is there right now. Nonsense. Nonsense. Not recently. Not recently. Not yet. Not yet. Nothing else. Nothing else. Now or later? Now or later? October 22nd. October 22nd. Of course. Of course. Okay. Okay. On the left. On the left. On the right. On the right. On the second floor. On the second floor. One like that. One like that. One ticket to New York, please. One ticket to New York, please. One way or round trip? One way or round trip? Open the door. Open the door. Open the window. Open the window. Our children are in America. Our children are in America. Outside the hotel. Outside the hotel. Over here. Over here. Over there. Over there. Pick up your clothes. Pick up your clothes. Please call me. Please call me. Please come in. Please come in. Please count this for me. Please count this for me. Please fill out this form. Please fill out this form. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please speak English. Please speak English. Please speak more slowly. Please speak more slowly. Please speak slower. Please speak slower. Please take me to the airport. Please take me to the airport. Please take me to this address. Please take me to this address. Please take off your shoes. Please take off your shoes. Please tell her John called. Please tell her John called. Please tell me. Please tell me. Please wait for me. Please wait for me. Please write it down. Please write it down. Please. Please. Really? Really? Right here. Right here. Right there. Right there. See you later. See you later. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tonight. See you tonight. She wants to know when you're coming. She wants to know when you're coming. She's an expert. She's an expert. She's older than me. She's older than me. She's pretty. She's pretty. Should I wait? Should I wait? Some books. Some books. Someone does that for me. Someone does that for me. Someone is coming. Someone is coming. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Sorry, I didn't hear clearly. Sorry, I didn't hear clearly. Sorry, I don't have a pencil. Sorry, I don't have a pencil. Sorry, I think I have the wrong number. Sorry, I think I have the wrong number. Sorry, we don't accept credit cards. Sorry, we don't accept credit cards. Sorry, we don't have any vacancies. Sorry, we don't have any vacancies. Sorry, we don't have any. Sorry, we don't have any. Sorry, we only accept cash. Sorry, we only accept cash. Start the car. Start the car. Stop. Stop. Take a chance. Take a chance. Take it outside. Take it outside. Take me downtown. Take me downtown. Take me to the Marriott Hotel. Take me to the Marriott Hotel. Take this medicine. Take this medicine. Tell him that I need to talk to him. Tell him that I need to talk to him. Tell me. Tell me. Thank you, miss. Thank you, miss. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for everything. Thanks for everything. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. Thanks. Thanks. That car is similar to my car. That car is similar to my car. That car over there is mine. That car over there is mine. That looks great. That looks great. That looks old. That looks old. That means friend. That means friend. That restaurant is not expensive. That restaurant is not expensive. That smells bad. That smells bad. That way. That way. That's a good school. That's a good school. That's all right. That's all right. That's enough. That's enough. That's fair. That's fair. That's fine. That's fine. That's her book. That's her book. That's it. That's it. That's not enough. That's not enough. That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not right. That's not right. That's right. That's right. That's too bad. That's too bad. That's too expensive. That's too expensive. That's too late. That's too late. That's too many. That's too many. That's too much. That's too much. That's wrong. That's wrong. The accident happened at the intersection. The accident happened at the intersection. The big one or the small one? The big one or the small one? The book is behind the table. The book is behind the table. The book is in front of the table. The book is in front of the table. The book is near the table. The book is near the table. The book is next to the table. The book is next to the table. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. The book is on top of the table. The book is on top of the table. The book is under the table. The book is under the table. The books are expensive. The books are expensive. The car is fixed. The car is fixed. The cars are American. The cars are American. The food was delicious. The food was delicious. The plane departs at 5:30. The plane departs at 5:30. The roads are slippery. The roads are slippery. The TV is broken. The TV is broken. The whole day. The whole day. There are many people here. There are many people here. There are some apples in the refrigerator. There are some apples in the refrigerator. There are some books on the table. There are some books on the table. There has been a car accident. There has been a car accident. There's a book under the table. There's a book under the table. There's a restaurant near here. There's a restaurant near here. There's a restaurant over there, but I don't think it's very good. There's a restaurant over there, but I don't think it's very good. There's plenty of time. There's plenty of time. These books are ours. These books are ours. They arrived yesterday. They arrived yesterday. They charge $26 per day. They charge $26 per day. They haven't met her yet. They haven't met her yet. They'll be right back. They'll be right back. They're planning to come next year. They're planning to come next year. They're very busy. They're very busy. They're waiting for us. They're waiting for us. This doesn't work. This doesn't work. This house is very big. This house is very big. This is Mrs. Smith. This is Mrs. Smith. This is my mother. This is my mother. This is the first time I've been here. This is the first time I've been here. This is very difficult. This is very difficult. This is very important. This is very important. This room is a mess. This room is a mess. Those men are speaking English. Those men are speaking English. Try it on. Try it on. Try it. Try it. Try to say it. Try to say it. Turn around. Turn around. Turn left. Turn left. Turn right. Turn right. She's going with me tomorrow. She's going with me tomorrow. Sometimes I go to sleep at 11. Sometimes at 11:30. Sometimes I go to sleep at 11. Sometimes at 11:30. Waiter, waiter, waitress, waitress. We can eat Italian or Chinese food. We can eat Italian or Chinese food. We have 2 boys and 1 girl. We have 2 boys and 1 girl. We like it very much. We like it very much. We'll have 2 glasses of water, please. We'll have 2 glasses of water, please. We're from California. We're from California. We're late. We're late. Were there any problems? Were there any problems? Were you at the library last night? Were you at the library last night? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you going to do tonight? What are you going to do tonight? What are you going to have? What are you going to have? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? What color is that car? What color is that car? What day are they coming over? What day are they coming over? What day of the week is it? What day of the week is it? What did you do last night? What did you do last night? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? What did you think? What did you think? What do people usually do in the summer in Los Angeles? What do people usually do in the summer in Los Angeles? What do they study? What do they study? What do you do for work? What do you do for work? What do you have? What do you have? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What do you study? What do you study? What do you think of these shoes? What do you think of these shoes? What do you think? What do you think? What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do your parents do for work? What do your parents do for work? What does he do for work? What does he do for work? What does this mean? What does this mean? What does this say? What does this say? What does this word mean? What does this word mean? What does your father do for work? What does your father do for work? What happened? What happened? What is it? What is it? What is the area code? What is the area code? What is today's date? What is today's date? What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? What school did you go to? What school did you go to? What should I wear? What should I wear? What size? What size? What time are they arriving? What time are they arriving? What time are you going to the bus station? What time are you going to the bus station? What time did you get up? What time did you get up? What time did you go to sleep? What time did you go to sleep? What time did you wake up? What time did you wake up? What time do you think you'll arrive? What time do you think you'll arrive? What time does it start? What time does it start? What time does the store open? What time does the store open? What time is checkout? What time is checkout? What time is it? What time is it? What will the weather be like tomorrow? What will the weather be like tomorrow? What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? What's in it? What's in it? What's the address? What's the address? What's the charge per night? What's the charge per night? What's the date? What's the date? What's the exchange rate for dollars? What's the exchange rate for dollars? What's the exchange rate? What's the exchange rate? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the name of the company you work for? What's the name of the company you work for? What's the phone number? What's the phone number? What's the room rate? What's the room rate? What's the temperature? What's the temperature? What's this? What's this? What's today's date? What's today's date? What's up? What's up? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's your address? What's your address? What's your email address? What's your email address? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? What's your last name? What's your last name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your religion? What's your religion? When are they coming? When are they coming? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? When are you going to pick up your friend? When are you going to pick up your friend? When are you leaving? When are you leaving? When are you moving? When are you moving? When did this happen? When did this happen? When did you arrive in Boston? When did you arrive in Boston? When do we arrive? When do we arrive? When does it leave? When does it leave? When do you arrive in the U.S.? When do you arrive in the U.S.? When do you get off work? When do you get off work? When do you start work? When do you start work? When does he arrive? When does he arrive? When does it arrive? When does it arrive? When does the bank open? When does the bank open? When does the bus leave? When does the bus leave? When does the plane arrive? When does the plane arrive? When I went to the store, they didn't have any apples. When I went to the store, they didn't have any apples. When is the next bus to Philadelphia? When is the next bus to Philadelphia? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? When was the last time you talked to your mother? When was the last time you talked to your mother? When will he be back? When will he be back? When will it be ready? When will it be ready? When would you like to meet? When would you like to meet? Where are the t-shirts? Where are the t-shirts? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you going to go? Where are you going to go? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you? Where are you? Where can I buy tickets? Where can I buy tickets? Where can I exchange US dollars? Where can I exchange US dollars? Where can I find a hospital? Where can I find a hospital? Where can I mail this? Where can I mail this? Where can I rent a car? Where can I rent a car? Where did it happen? Where did it happen? Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you learn English? Where did you learn English? What time do you go to work every day? What time do you go to work every day?